Methodology as the strategic pathway of scholarly inquiry and transformative teaching. Methodology, philosophically grounded, refers to the overarching strategy and rationale guiding how research is conducted. It articulates the systematic plan that connects the researcher's ontological and epistemological commitments to the specific methods used to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Essentially, methodology answers the question, how will knowledge be generated and validated? While ontology concerns what is real, and epistemology concerns how we come to know, methodology operationalizes these assumptions into coherent procedures and processes that enable rigorous and credible inquiry. Methodology shapes the research design, the selection of data sources, the techniques for data collection and analysis, and the criteria for evaluating findings. Methodological approaches vary according to philosophical paradigms. Quantitative methodologies, often aligned with positivist ontology and epistemology, emphasize measurement, objectivity, and hypothesis testing through statistical analysis. For instance, a doctoral researcher might employ experimental or survey methods to examine causal relationships or quantify phenomena. Qualitative methodologies, resonant with interpretivist or constructivist stances, prioritize rich contextualized understanding of lived experiences through interviews, ethnography, or narrative analysis. Mixed methods methodologies, commonly linked to critical realism, integrate quantitative and qualitative techniques to capture both structural factors and subjective meanings, offering a layered and comprehensive perspective. In doctoral research, methodology is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures the research questions, ontological and epistemological assumptions, and methods are coherently aligned, strengthening the study's internal consistency and credibility. Second, it provides a transparent roadmap that enables others to understand, evaluate, and replicate the study if needed. Third, it guides ethical and reflexive practice, ensuring that data collection and analysis respect participants' rights and acknowledge the researcher's positionality. Methodology also plays a vital role in transformative teaching practice. Teaching, like research, involves methodological choices, how knowledge is conveyed, engaged with, and assessed. Traditional pedagogical methods often replicate hierarchical, transmissive models. In contrast, transformative teaching employs dialogical, participatory, and reflective methodologies that foster critical consciousness and learner agency. For example, problem-posing education, experiential learning, and collaborative inquiry are methodologies that embody transformative epistemologies and axiologies. Through methodological intentionality, educators create learning environments that are not only informative but emancipatory, enabling learners to interrogate assumptions, connect theory with praxis, and enact social change. Such pedagogical methodologies align with Paulo Freire's vision of education as a praxis, a continuous cycle of reflection and action that challenges oppression and cultivates liberation. When doctoral research and teaching practices are grounded in rigorous and coherent methodological frameworks, they transcend technical exercises to become ethically responsible, contextually relevant, and transformative acts of knowledge production and dissemination. Happy learning!